guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluwayemisi if you already don't know, and yes, some people call me Shante. So I'm back again today, and in today's video I'm going to be transitioning this day look to this look, which is a nighttime makeup look. This is also a look that is Valentine inspired. Like, Valentine's Day is a work day, so you can go with this makeup look to work and just switch it up at nighttime when you're going out with babe. Yes. So if you like to see how I change this look from day to night, please keep on watching. And hold up, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're new here. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Leave a comment down for me below. Let's communicate, and yeah, let's get started.
So first of all, I want to make sure that I take off my lashes. This is the lashes I wore all day, and I'm just going to store them in my lash diary from BMO. This is very handy for storing lashes and not getting them to lose their shape and misplace them. Then I'm going in with a clean wipes just to clean up my lips. I had gloss on, so I'm just cleaning it up, and then I'm going to go into my Sacha buttercup setting powder. I'm going to bake my under eye area just to avoid the eyeshadow from falling off onto my face. So I'm just going to basically put that setting powder over my smile lines as well, just to further set it, and over my eyelid area in case there was any creasing, just to take that away before we go into the eye makeup. So I'm taking my NubanBeauty powder brush just to brush off the excess powder, and then going into my Ewaronke 35 Twinkle and Glitz palette. I'm taking that yellow shade in it as my first transition color and just putting this all over the transition area with another NubanBeauty sponge. Next, I'm taking that light pinky shade and further defining my crease with that. I'm putting this a little below where I applied the yellow and just working that into the crease. Yeah. Now I'm taking my Taos Inc lipstick. This is in the shade Laula, and I'm just further deepening my outer V and my transition space with that. And I'm blending with the same blending brush that I've been using. Next, I'm taking that deeper pink from the same Ewaronke eyeshadow palette, and I'm just diffusing the edges of the liquid lipstick and just making sure that it transitions seamlessly. So now that this is done, I'm taking my Ewaronke eyeshadow base and I'm just defining or cutting my crease with that. I really like this eyeshadow base. It's nice and not so creamy, so you get the desired effect from it. Okay, now that that is done, I'm going back into the deeper color that I used to set the liquid lipstick, and I'm just working that from the outer V right into my lid area, leaving a line from the eyeshadow base. I'm just putting the pink just below where the eyeshadow base starts, and then I'm working that in. Now that that is done, I'm going in with some e.l.f. glitter primer. I'm just applying this before I go in to my YangaBeauty Shine. I don't know what the shade of this is, but I'll link it down below. I'm just putting that over the primer or the glitter primer just to set that glitters in place. Now going in with my mascara, I'm just like prepping my eyelashes for the falsies. And then I'm wearing my lash. This lashes that I'm wearing right now is the B lashes in the style Ibukun. I've had it for a while and I've just been reusing and reusing it. Next, I'm going in with my MacBook pencil and further applying that in my waterline, and then going with the transition color that I used earlier on to smudge that out. So pretty done with the eyes. I'm just using my mascara to blend my falsies with my real lashes and applying some on my bottom lashes, after which I'm going over the whole of my face and dusting off the excess setting powder on my face with my Zaron Maxi Blend Compact Powder. So I'm further intensifying my contour that I've had on the whole day with the Maybeline powder in Cacao and with my NubanBeauty brush. I'm just like cleaning up the whole face and applying more blush. I'm using the Sleek blush in the color Flushed, And then as usual, we gotta glow. We have to glow for the night. So I'm going in with my Icandy Cosmetics Illumination Palette and just further enhancing the glow that I add on the whole day. Yes, this look is this easy. Now to the lips. I'm using the liquid lipstick I used earlier on and a lip pencil from ColorPop. This is in the shade Notion. I'm using that to line my lips, after which I'm going in with liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Laula. And yes, like I'm going to go over that with my setting spray from NubanBeauty, and we're pretty much done with transitioning the look from day to night.
So guys, this is the finished look. I moved from this to this, from daytime to nighttime, and now I am ready to party. Ready to party. Yeah. I hope you like this look. I hope you can recreate it. I hope it was simple enough, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. Okay, so just a reminder to subscribe if you aren't subscribed already. Like this video, leave a comment for your girl down below. I'll be responding to you guys, and let me know what you like me to do next. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.